Go ahead, create a new composition. I'm going to name my comp Holographic Background, custom 1920 by 1080 square pixels, 25 frames per second, and just make this composition 20 seconds long, or whatever you're working with. And I'm going to create a new solid, and I'm going to name this one Fractal Noise. Go to the Effects and Presets panel that is just here and type in Fractal and bring that effect onto our solid. For the fractal type, we are going to go Dynamic. Noise type, soft linear is fine. The contrast, the brightness, everything is okay, but I'm just going to bring this complexity down to 1. Then I'm going to put an expression on my evolution, so just hold down Alt, and on this stopwatch this will pop up, and you can just type in this box time times 100. Make sure don't use capitals or anything, it is sensitive to that kind of thing. And you can see that we have some movement now. It's going slow because of my computer, but we do have some movement going on. Alright, now right click on our fractal noise and pre-compose. I'm just going to name this one Fractal Noise, this comp. Move all attributes and press OK. Now we are going to make our holographic background, and I have some reference images in front of me for the kind of look that I'm going for. I'll link any resources down below. These don't belong to me, but if you want these ones in particular, find any on the internet. You can see that there's lots of like round smudges and that kind of thing. So this is the look that I'm going to try and emulate with my next tool. In the Effects and Presets panel, go ahead and type in Liquify and drag this effect onto our fractal noise. We are going to use these tools to create that kind of look. I've found it's better to not have the pressure up so high. Obviously this is going to just depend on whatever look you are going for in your project, but yeah, I mean, just do it. I am just going to speed through this section because for this you can really take as long or as short as possible. I spent a couple minutes doing this, but I'm not going to go too much on this composition since I am just demonstrating, but you can go as detailed as you wish with this. Alright, when you are happy with what you have, I'm pretty happy with this one, I am just going to animate it. If you do not want your background to move, you can skip this step, but I'm just going to have it very briefly moving. So if you're animating, you want to create a keyframe. You can see down here, this has put a keyframe, and I'm just going to go to the end and make some more movements. Nothing too crazy going on, no major movements I mean. Alright, that's fine. Once you are happy, you are going to go to the Effects and Presets and type in Tint. And you can use whatever color you want. I'm working with some particular colors today. 802 CF1 on the black, and on the white I'm going 84BBFF. Alright, and then click on our fractal noise, Control D to duplicate, and on the second layer I am going to change the tint colors. So I'm changing the black to CAB 3 E9, and I'm going to change the white to FF84CC. Okay, before we go any further, we are just going to change this composition settings. We are going to change the length on this composition to 10. So in the fractal noise composition we made it 20, this one's going to be 10, and the reason is I am just going to drag this so it's a little bit different. And the final step that we just have to do to make the look is change this blend mode to pin light. Yeah, and after I dragged it along, we can see all of our different colors coming through. And that is it. That is all you need to do to create a holographic look. You can do other colors. So here is a few examples, and you can see in this composition I've actually done 2 layers. Ignore that, it is irrelevant. You can see I have done 2 layers here, and both of them are pin light. I can link the colors that I did for these compositions down below. That is it for this video, everyone. I hope you achieved what you needed to get done. If you want to watch more After Effects tutorials, that is the kind of content I post. So if you enjoyed, do the likey, subscribey things, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Bye!